Kids Preschool moving up and kindergarten. So, nag-start na tayo. Mag-ayos. Video for
Go inside. Go inside na dun.
Let's go inside. 30 minutes pa. Bago magsimula ng 1 p.m. Ganda ng entrada para sa pagpasok dito sa St. Jude Hotel. Mami. Yan. Simulan na ang pagpila natin. Mainit pa dito sa labas. So, papasok na tayo. Kahulihan tayo, kindergarten.
It's both a promise and a mission. It's remind us that our children are not merely pupils, but young leaders in the making.
Merienda muna tayo habang nag-iintay tayo ng awarding ceremony. So, ito yung ating designated chairs. For Dwayne Jan Kanya, wow, our third place language festival painting contest and outstanding performance in language and many more. So, check this. Akyat muna tayo sa taas. Ito na yung mga awards natin. Napakarami. So, change outfit. Ito ang ating attorney Dwayne Jan. So, akit na sila. Merienda muna bago umakayat. Kain muna tayong makto. Ayan. Dami ng tao.
Something behind. With this, we would like to give. My name is Brenda Tanya. When I grow up, I want to become a lawyer. Because I want to help the people.
Watching their memories. Napakasaya nila, diba? Kung nakaabot ka dito, maraming salamat po and pa-follow po sa ating vlog for the next mini vlog. Happy graduation to all mga kids at sa mga parents din.
And that concludes our program. School Moving Up and Recognition Day 2026. This has been a joyful promise to all graduates. May you continue to lead with competence and with a character that makes our nation proud. We will see you on the other side of the big step. This has been your host, Mr. Jared A. Terwell Jr. Say everyone, choose right, choose Sammy. Goodbye and mabuhay.